Good morning, everyone. Good morning, dear.
Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Dad.
Kids, time to help with the blankets.
Yay!
Let's make our beds. This water is so cold. I love washing my face here. Me too.
What a beautiful day to be alive.
The village is so peaceful in the morning. It's a hot day, even for a dog. He's enjoying his nap.
A fresh start to the day. The air feels so clean.
A clean home makes for a clear mind.
Water for the plants. They will grow big and strong.
Good morning, my dear cow. Time for your milk. You give the best milk in the village. Clean dishes for a clean meal. I love doing chores on such a beautiful day. Here's some fresh grass for you, my friend.
She loves the grass, Grandpa.
Look how she eats it.
The river flows peacefully. Look at the paper boat go. Time to prepare breakfast. A warm start to a busy day. The aroma of fresh spices fills the air. This will make our food taste wonderful. The idlis are ready, just in time. They smell wonderful. These are going to be delicious. The children will love them. The idlis are perfectly steamed. They are ready to serve. The tempering adds so much flavor. This chutney will be perfect.
This is so delicious, Mom.
Thank you, my dear, for the wonderful meal.
It tastes just like home. The idlis are perfect.
This is truly a blessing. Nothing beats a good meal in nature.
Our village, a haven of peace. Nature's beauty surrounds us. Another day of harvest.
The fields are bountiful.
Life here moves at its own pace. The cow is in no hurry.
Come on, faster! It's so pretty! Look out, the dog! Don't let it get away! We're almost there!
The road is long, but the journey is beautiful.
We are almost there.
This beautiful fabric needs a good fold. It reminds me of happy memories. The potato harvest is looking good this year. Hard work pays off.
These potatoes are perfect.
We've had a good harvest this year. We've worked hard today.
The sun is setting, but our bounty is great. We did it. Another successful harvest.
Yes, we worked hard for this.
This is heavier than usual.
You're strong. We'll manage. The cart is not far.
Yes, let's keep going. Our hard work has paid off. The cart is full of our blessings. We're almost home.
The children will be waiting.
Oh no! A storm is coming!
Quick, gather the clothes. The rain is strong, but we are safe here.
Grandma, tell us a story.
The storm rages on. I hope everyone is safe inside.
Let me check if Mom and Dad are coming.
Are they close, Grandma?
I can't see them yet. The rain is so heavy.
I hope they come soon.
We must hurry. The storm is getting worse. I'm worried about the children. Come inside, children. They're here.
Yay! Fresh vegetables!
We made it home. But what a journey. I'm so tired, but glad to be safe. A warm, dry sari feels so good. I'm glad to be out of the rain. We clean up well, don't we?
Yes, a fresh start after the storm. The rain is relentless tonight.
But we are together and safe. The storm has transformed the village. It's a beautiful, wild night. Time to prepare a warm meal for the family. The fire brings comfort on a cold night. Fresh vegetables for a healthy meal. This will add great flavor. Careful with the knife. Small pieces cook faster. The oil is hot. Time to cook. This curry will be flavorful. The aroma of spices fills the air. This will give the curry a wonderful flavor. A touch of turmeric for color and health. The vegetables are cooking nicely. A touch of chili for that perfect spice. The curry is coming along beautifully. The flavors are blending beautifully. Almost ready for dinner. Just a little more water to let the flavors meld. Almost there, children. Dinner is coming soon. Here you go, beta. Some more dal.
This is delicious, just like home.
Wow, the paneer is so soft.
Sweet dreams, my little ones. Sleep tight.
The elders sleep soundly. Their wisdom protects us even in dreams.
Rest after a long day. Together, we face anything.